Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video with your one and only Claudia Cooks in the Kitchen. Today I am here in sunny Chios, Santorini, and I've been inspired by the simplicity of the food here. So today we're going to do a simple roast chicken for you. If you want us to cook together in this sunny island, let's get cooking. But before I do that, let's just show you the view. All of the ingredients that we're using today will be listed in the link below. So let's get seasoning this beautiful free-range chicken. Okay, let's make the marinade, and I'm literally just going by what the produce is on this island because they don't get that much, so we just go in with it, and that's why we're keeping it simple. Right, I've got a whole bulb of garlic, but of course you can use less. This is going to give amazing flavors with just what we've got here. Olive oil, I'm using mixed herbs because I couldn't get any oregano, and salt and black pepper. Okay, so I'm crushing like about 5 cloves of garlic, and the rest of the garlic will go inside and around the chicken. We're going to use a bit of olive oil because here in Greece, from the restaurants that we've been going to, when we get served a meal, there's quite a lot of olive oil, but of course you don't have to use as much. I'm using about half a cup, and to that we're adding some mixed herbs. All right, and that's about a teaspoon. We're going to add a bit of chili flakes because I want a little bit of heat. A bit of salt. Of black pepper. I'm also going to be using the zest of 2 lemons and juice as well. I'm putting in the lemon pieces with the roast as well, but obviously you don't have to do that. You don't have to use as much lemon in it, so please adapt to your taste. Let's give this a little mix. Right, and it's here where you taste the seasoning. I'm going to grind a bit of black pepper and salt over the chicken as well because I put less than 1/4 teaspoon into here, so we will season the chicken with a little bit extra salt and black pepper. Okay, let's get this marinade over this already washed and pat dried chicken. So let's go. We are going to pour it all over the chicken as well as on the inside, right, because we want this marinade to really get inside and permeate the meat and give it flavors, because we are going to put it in the fridge for a couple of hours whilst I go to the beach, and then by the time I get back it's time to cook. So just get your hands in it and really give it a good massage and get all these beautiful flavors into this chicken, because although we're working with minimal flavors, we still want to create some delicious flavors to this roast chicken. And I've also got a few garlic cloves left. I'm just going to grate one more, and then I'll just throw the rest into the pan. Just gonna massage that in. To just have a bit more of that and get it all on the inside of the chicken. Just going to tip it here and pour it in. I'm going to really get that all inside, and with the extra garlic Just gonna pop them around the pan. And we also have some veggies that we're going to add as well. Everything's been washed. Okay, so we're just going to, these are some onion. I bought a huge red onion, just used only half of it. A bit of bell peppers. And we also got some potato for our starch. What's gonna be so wonderful with this dish, you know, all the flavors from the chicken and the marinade's just going to soak up in the potatoes and all of the vegetables. And I've got a bit more of the marinade. I'm just going to drizzle that over. Right, just going to sprinkle more salt over the chicken and the veg. And some more black pepper. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're just going to cover that and we're going to pop that in the fridge. So I'll see you when we get cooking. Hopefully you're looking forward to this because I am. Okay, it's time to put the chicken and the vegetables in the oven. And I've actually forgotten to brush some mustard over the chicken. I've done that. And we're going to put a cup of water. Just going to pour just around the sides. Pour the water all around, and now I'm just going to double some foil and I'm going to cover it and seal it really well and pop it in the oven at 175 degrees Celsius for about 1.5 hours. But just at 1 hour 15, take the cover from the chicken so that it can get a nice golden color. But please make sure your chicken is always cooked thoroughly before eating. If it needs an extra 10-15 minutes, give it that depending on the size of your chicken. Now I'm going to cover it and I'll see you within an hour and a half's time. And there you have it, guys. My simple and easy Greek roast chicken. Just going to let that sit for a moment and I'll be back when I'm serving up.